Assalamualaikum students. Let's open your books. Count down 5. Page number 1. Unit number 1. Numbers and arithmetic operations. Today we will learn something new about place values. Before starting this topic, I want to reinforce few things. So my question is, what is place value? Any guesses? Yes, place value is placement of a digit in a number. For example, in 236, 420. Let's find out the place value of 6. So starting from right hand side, it's ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Yes, 6 is at thousands place. As you can see on page number 2 that the number is written in different groups along with commas. Yes, these groups are called periods. But students, keep one thing in your mind that now this time you will use commas and spaces both. As you have already learned place value till 9-digit number, so let's take a look on this international place value chart. Wow, it's really colorful chart. Yes. So these three different colors indicating three different periods. Starting from right hand side, the chart starts with units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Units, tens and hundred comes in ones period. Thousands, 10,000s and 100,000s comes in thousands period. Millions, 10 millions and 100 millions comes in millions period. Now just think which is biggest 9-digit number? Oh, good. That is 999,999,999. What will happen if we add 1 in it? So answer is this biggest number. This 10-digit number is called 1 billion. Capital B stands for billion. Okay students, now I am going to tell you how to read a number. So just take a look on this international place value chart. A number is written in front of you. 2 is at placement of billions. 1 comes at 100 millions place. 9 comes at 10 millions place. 2 comes at millions place. Placement of 5 is 100,000. Placement of 3 is 10,000. Placement of 0 is 1000. 7 comes at 100 place. 4 comes at tens place and 6 comes at units place. Why am I reading from left side? Because whenever you are going to read a number, you will always start from left hand side. So it becomes 2,192,530,746. Let's do example number 1. Question is, write the given number in words. Whenever you are going to write down number in words, the very first step is you have to write down place values. As the given number is 6, 000,723,104. So how we are going to write down in words? It becomes 6 billions. As there is no digit in millions period, so next is 723,104. Example number 2. What is place value of colored digit in this number? And the number is written in front of you. Which one is the color digit? That is 5. Good. Now let's check what is the place value of 5 in this international place value chart. 5 comes at 100,000 place. So we will write down both in words and in figures. Now just take a look on this example number 3. Question is, what is place value of digit 2 in this number? And number is 3,621,401,528. As you can see that 2 comes 2 times. It means now we are going to find out two different values. So Write down this number in international place value chart. The very first value of 2 is 2 tens. 2 tens means 20. And the second place value of digit 2 is 10 millions. 10 millions mean it's 20 million. Now students, all of you please open your notebooks. Take your pencils in your hand. We are going to solve exercise 1A, question number 4. Write the following number in words. Part A is 1, 500, 000. So very first step is to write down place values. Units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million. So our answer is 1,500,000. Part B is, again we will repeat the step. We will write down that number in place value chart, and how we are going to write in words, it becomes 16 million. Comes to question number 5. Write the numbers in the figure giving the spaces correctly according to international system. So part A, 1,900,000. The very first step is to write down place values, and it becomes 1 space comma 900 space comma 000. Part B, 840 million. 8 comes at 100 millions place, and 4 comes at 10 millions place, and what comes at millions place, that is 0. So how we are going to write down this number in figures, it becomes 840 space comma 000 space comma 000. Comes to question number 6. Write the numbers in the figure giving the spaces correctly. Oh, now a number is given to you without any space or without any comma. So we are going to write down this number in place value chart, so we can easily give spaces and put commas in this given number. So this is our answer. Part B we will do in the same way, and answer is 647 million and 31,700. Next, question number 7. Write the following numbers in words. This is same like question number 4. So now this time it's easy for you. Part A is 4 space comma 000 space comma 000. So we will repeat the first step, that is to write down the place values, and how we are going to write in words, it becomes 4 million. We will do part C in the same way, and the last part again we will repeat the same steps. Students, you can do it by your own, and then you can match your answers. Question number 8. Write the number in the figure giving the spaces correctly. So the number is 2,500,000. So how we are going to write down this number in figure? It becomes 2 space comma 000 space comma 500 space comma 000. Next part B, 5,740,000,000. Again we will write down this number in place value chart, and what will be our answer? That is 5,740,000,000. Question number 9. Write the place value of the ring digit. So part A, in part A the ring digit is 7. So let's check what is the placement of 7. You can see that 7 is written at 10,000s place. So what will be our answer? It's 7 10,000s or 70,000. Part B, which one is the ring digit? That is 9. Again check in place value chart, and the place value of 9 is 10 millions. So answer is 910 million, or you can say it's 90 millions. And now in part C, the ring digit is 5 and the placement of 5 is 100,000. So answer is 500,000 and same way we will write down in figures. Last question, that is question number 10. Write the following numbers in expanded form. Expanded form means that you have to write down the number. You will expand it in this way, that part A is 3,761,830,596. So students, there is a hint for you. How will you write down this number in expanded form is, first you have to write down the first digit, that is 3. After 3 you can see that there are 9 digits. So you will put 9 zeros. Good. Then you will put addition sign. Now comes to the next place value, that is 100 millions. You will write down 7. Then after 7 you will place 2 zeros, comma, then 3 zeros, comma, then 3 zeros. Again you will place addition sign. Next comes to the next place value, and 6 is at base place, that is 60 millions. After 60 millions you will write down it 1. And what is the place value of 1? That is 1 million. So you will write down 1 space, comma, 000 space, comma, 000. Addition sign again. Next, that is 8 is at 100,000 place. So we will write down 800,000 plus 3 comes at 10,000 place. So 3 10,000 means 30,000 plus 0. Whenever 0 comes in this type of questions, then you will not write 0 5 times or 0 6 times. You will write down 0 only 1 times. Plus next number, that is 5. 5 is at 100 place. So we will write down 500 plus 90 plus the last digit, that is 6. So this is our expanded form. Now just take a look on this part B. Question A, 959,403,075. So again we will write down the first digit, that is 9. After 9 you can see there are 8 digits. So we will place 8 zeros plus. Next is 5. After 5 we will just see there are 7 digits. So we will put 7 zeros plus 9. And in the same way we will solve this part. Then you can see answer is written in front of you. Is this clear to you people? Good. Okay, thank you students. Now please revise and learn.